Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje akukhiphishe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthola nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho ukuthi singaphuthi le ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba engilethele lona namhlanje-ke laphana ngilethele-ke u-Action SA-ke laphana-ke uMr Mngcango-ke laphana-ke ethi ekhuluma-ke iqiniso-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke nokuningi-ke laphana-ke engafuni ukuthi-ke wakuzwa ngami. Kuphela into engizokwenza nje mina-ke ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ukuthi uthini-ke. Mina ngizosecela lapha usizwile-ke le vidiyo ngene ma-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke. Sicindezele ibhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphishe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Ngicabanga ukuthi iqiniso kumele silikhulume noma engabe kuthiwa likushiya wedwa kumele silikhulume iqiniso. Njengamanje abantu abanye banokungithuka ukuthi mhlambe ngihamba neqembu elithize, angabi la MK mina ngikhuluma iqiniso kuphela. I still champion values of Action SA, ngumholi we-Action SA, kodwa akungenzi lokho ukuthi ngivala amehlo ngingaboni into wrong futhi ngayikhulumi. Ngiyathanda nje impela ukuthi I can speak my mind, no one can force me ukuthi ngithini. Njengamanje asikwazi ukuthula mawubheka lapha eShamthetho ama rules athi uChief Whip is a chief whip of the majority party, not majority against all the members. Njengamanje the majority party amongst other parties iMK. So kumele sithule njengamanje these parties ahlangana afuna ukushintsha ama rules, bawashintshile ke manje sebefuna sebe-amenda i-definition ka-chief whip bayibize ngokuthi uchief whip oqhamuka kuma-parties a-government. Into enjani leyo? What kind of law oyishintsha nje as you go to suit your agenda? Sebedefine manje u-majority party as wawuqonda ukuthi majority party meaning 40-50 plus 1. There's no such. Ngengcenye yalama rules enziwa 2021 ngaparticipate kuwona. So the intention ka-majority party was the larger party. Isibonelo, i-member zo-80 in the house. Uma kuvotwa bese u-20 u-abstainer, bese u-25 uvote against, u-35 uvote for, u-35 become the majority amongst abavotile. That's a majority. Akusho ukuthi isinqumo emshamthetho phela siyothathwa ngokuthi kube no41 votes. Ayikho lonto leyo. Uma nje abanye bezo abstainer bebe against abanye, a definition majority isho ukuthi u35 loyo uyi-majority. Kungani ke namhlanje so kumele sithule uma sokuthiwa hayi i-majority party yayiqonde ukuthi iqembu elibusayo ngo50 plus 1. There's no such. And they know it. They know banamanga. They know the intention and the spirit of that clause. We were there to discuss these amendments. Akazi qhamuke le discussion. Njengamanje that clause defined a-majority party, not just majority. Kunomehluko party kwe simply majority. Simply majority means then that's where you need 50 plus 1. So if intention of that clause was to give a majority party 50 plus 1, yayizoti chief whip from a party eyothola the simply majority. but la kuthiwa a party which is a majority party. So majority means the large. Large in this case, MK is large in that house. So njengamanje lento amend ama rules kuthiwe ushintshwa i-definition ka-majority i-wrong. But some of us will keep saying wrong. Into wrong is wrong. Nakusasa uma kuyikuthi injustice yenziwa kwi-ANC soyikhuluma. Uma yenziwa kwi-DA soyikhuluma or IFP soyikhuluma. Asikhulumi ngoba kuyi-MK anandaba ne-MK mina. But ngima neqiniso kuphela. Qiniso kuphela nje elifunakalayo.